Today, I'll guide you through setting up a Crosshair and Measure Tool on the TradingView platform, essential tools for any trader seeking precision and clarity in their market analysis. Let's begin with the Crosshair. The Crosshair is a versatile tool allowing traders to pinpoint exact price points and times on a chart with ease. To activate it, simply navigate to the top left of your chart. Here, you'll find the Crosshair icon. Clicking on this icon will switch your cursor to the Crosshair mode. Once activated, move your cursor across the chart. You'll notice how it provides precise coordinates of where it hovers, offering you a clear view of price and time information at any point. Now let's explore the Measure Tool. The Measure Tool is indispensable for evaluating the distance between points on your chart, be it in terms of price change, percentage change, or time intervals. To use this tool, click the ruler icon on your toolbar. Alternatively, you can click on your chart while holding the Shift key and drag to any point you want to measure. This action allows you to measure the distance between 2 points, displaying the information directly on your chart in a clear, concise manner. Both these tools are fundamental in conducting thorough technical analysis. The Crosshair offers precision in identifying specific data points, while the Measure Tool provides valuable insights into the magnitude of price movements and time durations between events.